So here's my example After Effects file for this Mandala video. My composition settings. So username dash Mandala, that's the name of the file. 1920 by 1080 square pixels, 30 frames per second, and the resolution is full. The duration depends on your how long the video you created is. So just make it as long or longer. Background color is white because the artboard is white. So all I did is I created a new text layer. This is just text right here, and I found a font, made the color, and changed the font size. I used the paragraph panel to align its center, and then I used this align thing. So if I had this like way over here, I use the align to align center and horizontally and vertically center. And then I just what I did is I made it 5 seconds long. So this just goes to 5 seconds right down here. You can see that the end of it is 5 seconds, and then I made it fade out from 4 to 5. So at 4 seconds, the opacity is 100. At 5 seconds, the opacity is 0 with the stopwatch on, and so all it does is just fades out like that. And then the layer down below, I trimmed off so all this stuff in the beginning of this video that I have. Oh, let me explain that. So first, then I imported my video. The video by default looks like this. It's so if you go to 100% wide, it's really big. So if you shrink it down like this, you can see the interface. So here's the interface. Nobody's really that interested in the interface. So what I did is I just scaled it. I just scaled it up a bit or down a bit, whatever you need to do to make it fit so that I don't see any of the interface. And then so it looks like that. And I put the center of the artwork, the center of the mandala, basically in the center of the actual screen video here. And then I trimmed this down because all this beginning stuff is nothing. All right, and then just let it play. So something like that. And then you render it out. So you go composition. When you're done, oh yeah, when you're done, you got to go to the end of your video, check the end of the video. If you need to make it fade out, that's fine. But go to the end of your video, press O for the out point here, and then N to move this blue guy, N to move the blue guy to the end there. And then you're going to right click and choose trim comp to work area. All right, so that just means the end of the video is the end of the actual imported video brought in. Okay, so then you're going to go composition, add to Adobe Media render queue like this, and it will launch Adobe Media render queue, something like so. Here it is, and then you're just going to render it. So make sure you know where it's going, right? So you're here, and I would put it in the same spot as all the other ones that you create. All right, wherever that is. And then, sorry, here's the second one that came in. I'm going to delete that one. Okay, so when you're ready to go, just hit render right up here, the green button, and let it render. Submit the MP4. Okay?